Okay, so for that we have a lot of methods, like we can use a for loop method, we can use for each, we have. Hey guys, welcome back in the another video of collection framework in Java. In the previous video we have seen that how we can remove, or how we can get the size, or how we can check a particular element is present in the list or not, and how we can clear list or array list. Now in this video we are going to learn that how we can iterate array list. Okay, so for that we have a lot of methods, like we can use a for loop method, we can use for each, we have some iterator class, and we have some for each method inside of array list. So in this video we are going to see that or we are going to use first two methods. First one is for loop, second one is for each. So let's jump into our editor. So inside our CF in Java folder we need to create a new file, like iterate of al.java, or you can write whatever name you want, or whatever it's suitable for you. Okay, inside of this class we need to create our main method, and then we need to create an integer type array list and add some element, array list integer and num array list integer. Okay, it shows red line because I haven't imported package, that's why. So let's make a quick fix with control plus dot or control plus comma. It says import package. Okay, so now we need to add some element. Now I'm going to add some other element, like 101. Let's make a copy, and 102, 102, 104 was 105. So we have 5 element. This time we have 6 element inside of array list. So now we are going to iterate this list. So the first method is, or first way is using for loop. So I hope you guys know the syntax of for loop. For, it's a iterator or not, it's in for. Okay, let's me, yep, that great thing, that was a great thing about this VS Code. Okay, so our variable, which is num dot size. Okay, so it's a basic loop. We are taking a counter variable or a iterator variable I, and the initial value of I is 0, and we are iterating till less than of the size of array list, and every time we are going to increase the value of I by 1. So now let's print the values. Write this out and select and hit. Okay, so we are going to print index value as well. So the index is, which is I plus double quotes, and the item is plus num dot get I. As in the previous video we have learned that how we can retrieve element, or how we can get the element from array list with the help of this get method. Or inside this get method we need to pass the index value. So here the index value we are assigning inside of this I variable. That's why I'm passing I inside of get. So now let's run the program and see the output. Okay, so this is the output. Let me just copy and paste it on the screen. Okay, so this at the index 0 we have element 101 or 101, at 1 we have 102, at 2 we have 103. So in this way we can iterate a list. And the second method is, so what is our second method? Our second method is using for each loop. Now the second way is using for each loop. So I'm not going to define for each loop. I hope you guys know about the for each loop. Just write for. It's a good thing about the about the VS Code that it shows that that it can provide us a boiler code or a basic syntax of our for each loop. But I'm going to write all syntax from start. So we need to write this for keyword inside for. We need to pass here integer type and then variable. It should be a number, and then at the right side of the colon we need to pass our array list. So it's a basic syntax of our for each loop. Like inside a for inside a for method, we need to pass two values separated with, or we can say that we need to pass a two objects separated with semicolon. At the right side we need to pass our collection, and at the left side we need to create a variable in the same type of our array list. Like here I have integer type of array list, so that's why I write here integer and created a variable which is integer type. Now just print the values. Oh, this out, not error. Items plus number. So when we are using a for each loop, so we have no need to use this get method, because it can directly take values from collection into this variable. Let's run program and see the output. Let's run the program and see the output. Okay, so this one is the output of our for each loop. So in this way, in this two way we can iterate element from array list. In the next video we are going to see that how we can use iterator class, with the help of iterator class, how we can iterate the element of array list. So that's it for this video. Thank you.